Welcome to LK Dinner Time. Today, we're making a deliciously creamy strawberry banana smoothie, perfect for a refreshing start to your day or a quick energy boost. It's super easy, packed with flavor, and takes just minutes to prepare. Let's get started. First, take a few fresh strawberries and chop them into smaller pieces. Toss them into a blender, followed by a frozen banana for that extra creamy texture. Add an equal quantity of frozen banana to balance the flavors. Next, pour in 100 milliliters of yogurt for a rich, velvety consistency, along with some cold fresh milk. Now, blend everything for about 2 minutes until smooth and luscious. Want to boost the protein? Add a scoop of your favorite protein powder for an extra nutritious kick. And there you have it, a creamy, protein-packed strawberry banana smoothie. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes, and drop a comment below on your favorite smoothie flavors. See you in the next video.